All righty, team. Here we go. I mean, we are. Oh yeah, look at that. We have SONN. I literally only took $200 on SONN and made 10. Only $200 because it was very risky, very pre-market, and I made 5% on it, which is nice. I'll take that. It totally takes out my loss from yesterday, which is awesome because I only used $200. Now we're gonna see if we can actually continue to hold this level. I mean, I could have just if I traded with my full size there, that would have been amazing. That would have been like a $70 trade. Probably would have taken it out a little early, right at VWAP, but you know, I didn't want to risk it too much. We have BEKE. Not liking it, just as 800 million in float. So I think right now our top stock to watch is SONN. SONN likes to rip. It likes to run. We are looking to take this back up to the pre-market high. I mean, I'm not really seeing too much here, and we're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. Duo, not really seeing anything, not really liking it as much. BKK, not liking it. And C-Web as well, not liking it whatsoever. We're going to, again, SONN, they have FDA clearance of its IND SON 1010 for the treatment of advanced solid tumors. So that's very, very good news. SONN has around a 30x relative volume and a 60 million in float. So this hits the volume. The float is a little higher than I would like, but the volume is there, so this can absolutely move. So I actually don't mind that it is a higher float because of the volume there. I would actually prefer a higher float in this scenario because it doesn't move as fast. It gives you more time to think. The slower you can make a trade last, the better off you will be. So I'm glad SONN. I took very small size there. Really just trying to take out yesterday's loss. Yesterday I made 2 losing trades, lost $10 because my risk management was absolutely perfect. And today I just used $200 and I made that back. So I still have plenty of capital left today. We're gonna see if we can continue to make this a great day and continue to see green on the week. We are green this week so far. We're around $30. We're up $30 this week. Let's see if we're actually up 44 bucks this week. We're going to see if we can actually make that closer to 100. Let's see if we can make it close to 100. If we can, you know, this is going to be a great week. My goal is 150 per week. If we can get 150 per week, 150 this week, that would be amazing. 150 in 1 week would be 10% of what I trade with. So I trade with around $1,500 a day. My account size is around 3,000. And again, if you cannot, I'm growing this small account. If you cannot grow a small account, you should not be able to take the trade. Again, let's go ahead and cover. I'm fully transparent with you guys on YouTube. So TD Ameritrade, over the past 6 months, I've been getting killed. If we go to 1 year, I started this account at around 4,155. Then I just decided that I wanted to, you know, trade and try to make big wins, and that's what this decline was. This decline from beginning of August down to January basically the beginning of this year, I was only focusing on big wins. When I was focusing on big wins, I was risking more, and then my risk to reward ratio was not the best, and I was holding my losers too long. But now, since the beginning of this year, I've started focusing on consistent winners. And if we actually go to the 3 months, we can see that I'm actually starting to get my account back. We had a really small loss, and I think we're going to be able to continue to grow this. February was my first green month, and we are green this month as well. So let's see if we can make March our second green month. Now, I love this. I mean, All it is trade, and trade smart, trade discipline. And what's your total now? Here, I can actually, I'll just show you. So yeah, I'm down around $1,000 on my account, which is okay. I'll go ahead and take you guys through on TikTok real quick, my account and how I've been doing and what I've been doing. So again, over the past year, you can see I started this account at around 4,155, been pulling back Neo puts expiring next week. Thoughts? I can look at it in a sec. Yeah, pulling back because I was focusing on too many big winners. I wanted to get the biggest winner. I wanted to make 10% every day. And that was just, I was focusing on the big winners, and that's why I was losing so fast. I mean, I wasn't losing fast because I spent a lot. Most people lose 90% of their account in 90 days. Now, this is back from August, and it's, well, I haven't lost my account because I did my research, but I still lost because I didn't have that the fundamentals and the experience inside the market. And now I've just started focusing, and we started level it out, and now we're starting to kind of curl back up. Again, February was my first profitable month. March is actually doing very well. Let's go ahead and actually look at our March P&L. So March, this is how my March is doing. I'm up a total of 134% of 2,900, but again, I can only trade with half of this every day. So this percentage is really doubled because I'm only using half of my account every day. Yes, you were looking for good drop. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So again, I'm being fully transparent with you guys because I'm taking you guys through the process of actually becoming a profitable trader. I wasn't a profitable trader, and February was my first profitable month. March is doing pretty well. Today we are doing absolutely wonderful, and we're going to see what we can do with the rest of today and the rest of the week. Let's go ahead and look at NEO. What's going on with NIO? And you said you were looking at puts. NEO puts expiring next week. All right, NEO puts. Oh man, NEO's at 15. Jesus. Honestly, I would say NEO calls. I would say NEO calls because we do have a gap to fill at around 16. I do think we're going to see a nice bounce here. Oh, yeah, NEO's pumping up. Yeah, NEO gapped up over pre-market. So, I mean, I wouldn't be looking for calls right out of the gate. We did fill that level. But, I mean, we'll have to see. We will have to see. Not a huge fan. I don't really have any strategies built around how it's going building up right now, so it's really up to you and your strategy. I'm not an options guy. I'm more of an equities guy, so I'm not going to really just give advice where I'm not trying to excel at. Yes, I'm going to jump in. Puts. It's a fade. This is a head fake, 100%. I mean, we were coming into the 9 and 20 EMA on oh man, I bought it here, sold it. I did trade SON in back in the day for around $10 or around 10 cents. I made 10 cents. That was a $100 trade right there. So let's see if SONN can get the hype and get the volatility like we want it to. Yes, man. I hope your NEO puts absolutely print. We have around 15 minutes left till market open. We're going to see what we can do and see how the day is going to develop. Thank you for stopping in on YouTube. Let me know just how much experience you have trading and any questions you have about trading. Oh, we have C-Web starting to get a pop. Very light volume, not a fan. That's the only thing that's popping like somewhat right now on the watch list. We have SONN, but I am not a huge fan of this as well at the moment. I'm not seeing anything, but NEO is absolutely getting killed. Listen, bro, with your account size, you should be trading options, better returns, in my humble opinion. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about the returns though. My account, well, I'm not worried about making money. I'm worried about making consistent trades. If I can be a consistent trader, I'm not focusing on the money. I'm focusing on executing good trades, and then the money will follow. So that's my trading style going into it. And so options are just way too risky, and it's hard to manage your risk more. They're not as liquid. You have to focus on the IV, you have to focus on the delta, you have to focus on the gamma, you have to focus on the theta. There's so many more things that you have to focus on, and you're not going to have that liquidity to get in and out where you want. And the spreads are also going to be very far apart a lot of the time. So yeah, I mean, options are a great thing. I'm definitely going to do options and in the future when I have a larger account. But right now, since I have a smaller account, I'm sticking strictly to equities because I can minimize my risk so much more. I mean, we're already doing good today. I made 5% already today with $200, taking out yesterday's loss of $10. I'm up $950 today, and I still have $1,300 left to trade with. So we'll see if we can actually get this a nice day. I ideally want to make $150 this week. So today's Wednesday. We have 3 trading days left. That's including today. And if we just keep our risk nice and tight, where we might be able to catch and maybe scalp around another 30, 40, $50 out of the market, looking for a beautiful day. Again, what you should be looking at a stock or at a trade at the market as a business. You are looking to do business. You are looking to do a deal with this business as the market being the business. You have to show it the most respect possible and react. Do not anticipate. You never anticipate, oh, I might get a raise. I'm going to get a $5,000 raise or a $10,000 raise, or any business where you have to talk and negotiate. You're not going to anticipate anything. You're going to react. So do the same thing in the market. React to what you see. Don't anticipate. Flowers, thank you. Congratulations. Thank you for the flowers. You're talking about swinging or holding long-term groups where only scalp. Options, I would be doing swinging when I do have thank you, Adriana. Thank you, Devin, for the likes. Yeah, so options, I'm going to be mainly swinging when I get my account bigger. And yeah, I mean, I appreciate the support. I appreciate you stopping in here and talking. I mean, I love talking. It makes me think about my concepts more. I like being challenged on concepts because it makes me constantly think about it from a new aspect. Thank you for the flowers. Hold on. I got an idea. Adriana, you are now a moderator. So now you gotta watch the stream. Make sure all the talk is nice. Devin's a moderator too, so I'm not really seeing anything. Like, we're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. We have 10 minutes left till market open. I mean, right now our scanners are showing us some pretty good stocks, but it's been the same 4 stocks for the past 45 minutes. So I don't know about you guys, but right now I think the majority of the volume. Oh, we have DI. So actually, we have a new stock. We have DI. Let's see. Oh, SONN, Duo, CUM, DI. Oh, yeah, I'm not a huge fan. DI, it's on Benzinga's Pros, Watchlist. Chinese companies are trending higher after following Chinese state media reports. Chinese Financial Stability and Development Committee urged market stability. And so there's not any company-specific news. It's just kind of meh. I do like it, though. We are gapping up pretty we're gapping up a good amount. DI is gapping up 44%. We have a gap to fill at 340. If we can actually hold that would be ideal. Go to our charts. Let's go to day 5 minutes. We do have some support back down at 240. Break 240. I'm not going to trade this, but I do think we're going to see some resistance coming into 290 to $3. Break that. We have room all the way back up to 340 for DI. So I'm definitely going to be watching that. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We have 2,000 likes. Guys, we are waiting for the market to show us what is going to move, what is going to take the volume, what is going to take the liquidity. And we have no idea yet. I honestly am going to be looking for a nice downtrend break on SONN because we have a new downtrend coming into this area. We have really high volume on that doji candle. I actually really like this. I don't like buying stocks within 10 minutes of market open, so I am going to sit back and watch. Now, if we see a possible washout long back down to around 48 potentially, with the pop over the trend line, with the pop over VWAP, we can see this absolutely rip back up to $56 cents. Break 56, we have room up to 60 cents. Now, our stops for the washout long is going to be below 46.66. Below this previous low, we're going to be looking to, our stops have to be below that. So we might see a pullback here. Where's our, I mean, we don't really have any moving averages that are pretty close. I mean, I think the 200 SMA on the 1 minute is going to be at around 45 when we open. So if we can open, I mean, if we can see it pull back down to 45, a nice 7% drop, boom, quick. We'll have to see. Ideally, I want to see it come up to the trend line at 50 cents. Get rejected. People are looking to sell at this trend line. Get pulled back into this area for a nice washout long. And we could definitely see this start to move. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 2.1 thousand likes. Thank you. Thank you. The SPY's getting a nice bullish move here. All right. Let's see if we can actually I mean, 8 minutes left till market open. There's not, again, trading's boring. Trading's very boring. 90% of your time is going to be sitting and waiting, if not more. I do like SONN, decreasing volume on the selling pressure. Want to see a nice double bottom here. Maybe a nice, I want to see a pop up. I really want to open around 50 cents. If we can open around 50 cents, wash out down to around 46 cents, look for a nice entry with the break over. If we can get in around 47 cents, ideally, I'm going to be looking for it back up to open around 50 cents. It's going to be the first target. Break that, come up to 52, break that, come up to 55. That is the goal for SONN. Again, every time this gaps up, let's go ahead and look at our daily. We have a gap up, we rip. Gap up, we rip a little bit. Gap up, we rip. Gap up, we rip. Gap up, ripped. Gap up, rip. This stock has a history of ripping out of the gate. It likes to give a lot back, but it likes to rip. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. A nice gap up, and then we rip. Now this one gapped up all the way up to 63, up to 111. Now we are all the way back down at 27 cents or 47 cents. We have some bigger support at this level down here. So I do want to see this potentially wash out again. Oh, there was a really low wick down there. If you got filled there, nice scam wick, boom, get filled, boom, a nice scalp. Just got ETH, awesome, good pickup. Ethereum's great. I like Ethereum, but it's slow. Ethereum is slow. It's only big because it has a big ecosystem, but it's definitely not the most technical. I can't talk right now. It definitely doesn't have the best technology, but it does have the biggest ecosystem, and that's what's making it so large. Again, guys, we're looking for a nice washout long from SONN. I'm not seeing anything else at the moment. I like SONN. We're getting that volume coming in. I like that we have a lot of buying pressure in this area. This high volume doji candle is something that I like to see. Decreasing volume on the move lower. I want to see a nice washout down to around 44 possibly, and then maybe a room back up, maybe even a little. I'm not too sure. I might not take it. It depends. I have to see the buying wall and see what is actually happening. But if we do come down to 46, I would be looking to take around 3,000 shares, around 2,500 actually, or 20. Yeah, I would take 2,500 if it does come down 2,500, because that seems like a good level, and every cent you're going to make 25 bucks. So if we can catch around ideally 2, 3, 4 cents, that would be ideal. All right, let's see what we can do here. 4 minutes left till market open. Again, just chill out. Don't worry about making money. It's not about when you make the money. It's about if you're profitable or not. New IPO after hours Thursday. Okay, so we have AKAN. AKAN. Let's go in and look at AKAN. Oh, dropped. Opened at 31. Dropped and closed down at 10. Oh my goodness. I mean, if we break over 15, I could see us going all the way up to 20 for AKAN, Akon. But we are going to just keep most of our focus on SONN right out of the gate. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Thank you guys for the follow. We have 15 people in the stream. Go ahead and give me a good morning. And as well, everyone make great trades. We have 3 minutes left till market open. All right. Here we go. I mean, we have a lot. 2 minutes left. We're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. I'm not really seeing anything. Thank you guys for the follow. Right now we have 6 stocks on the watch list, but I really only want to focus on SONN as they have the best news, the most volume, and medium float. Instead of, we have YMM. What's going on with YMM? It's like 800 million in float, but we are absolutely ripping. Is there any news? I don't see news, but it looks like it's just buying. I mean, we have this support at 651. Break above, we have room up to $8. Break that, room up to 930. We have a gap to fill at around 770. But SONN is our top stock to watch, and I would like to see a nice washout long down to around 47, risking literally 1 cent. This is very risky. This could be a nice pop, risking 1 cent. I'm looking for a nice washout and then possibly 2, 3, 4 cents. Looking for a nice washout and then 2, 3 to 4 cents of move higher. Nice quick in and out, and then I'm done for the day. We will see what happens. $30 seconds left. Thank you guys for the follow. Let's get ready to rumble. $25 or 25 seconds, excuse me. Yeah, I want to see a nice washout. I mean, we do have some, most support at 45, 46 cents. Here we go. 8 seconds, guys, until market open. Let's see what we can do. We're live. Want to see this pullback. Don't want to see it rip. There it is. Come on. Pull back more. I know you want to. Pull back more. Pull back into 48. Pull back into 48. Let's see that level. Let's pull back just a little bit more. Pull back more. Come on. Yep. 48. Pull back just a little bit more. There it is. Wasn't able to get in. That would have been a perfect trade. Yeah, that would have been absolutely beautiful. Holy cow. I wasn't able to get in, though. So the spread was a little bit too large for me to jump in, which is okay. Man, that would have been a beautiful trade. Want to see a pullback here? I'm not going to enter there. Too risky for me. Too risky. Guys, that washout long would have been perfect. I would have made $100 on that trade. Want to see a nice decreasing volume pullback here, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. It broke lower. Broke the new low. Oh, we have Akon. Want to see a nice pullback here into this level. Looking for a nice move. We have BEKE above the previous high. Not liking it. It's not giving me enough. This BEKE has too high of a float. I'm deleting it off the watch list. We have Akon halted. Here we go. Here we go. There's SONN. $54. I don't like SONN. Think this is gonna start to fade and fall. Akon was halted at 9:32.12. We're gonna be live at 9:37.12. So around 3 minutes left. SONN, I think we're gonna, yep, that's done for the day. I believe SONN is done for the day. Duo looks like it's also done. Might have room back up to the 9 EMA here. RSI is at 26. I want to see the RSI come down a little bit more. RSI is at 25. Oh, I missed the entry for ARC. I wanted to get in on DUO, but wasn't able to. That's unfortunate. I was thinking it was going to come back to the 9 EMA, but I didn't get enough confirmation here. We have around 1,000. Yeah, Duo is looking good. Archon's going to be... We have nice, very high volume now. The highest volume on the day. Highest volume on the day. Looking for a nice pullback here. Want to see a higher low. Looking for it to continue to move. We're going to be live here in around 12 seconds. 12 seconds, we are going to be live. Five, four, three, two, one, and we should be live. We're live, we're live, we're live. Want to see this break, this pre-market high. Oh man, thank you guys for the follow. Thank you for the follow. I'm not liking anything. Oh, this closes like this, I'm done. I'm not trading it. Oh man, there was the quick pop. Jesus. Duo looks pretty good. At 39, we have someone trying to sell 23,000 shares. Oh man, dude, there was the pop. This is very choppy. I'm not a fan of this at all. Very choppy. Like, it's just not showing us good potential that I want. I mean, that would have been a great trade. I would have been up $60 just on that trade alone. Okay, I want to see a nice close here. Close above 40 would be nice. Close above 40 would be nice. Room back up to 43, I believe. I believe we have room back up to 43. Highest volume on the day now. Highest volume on the day. Closed above the 9 EMA. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. AKAN is halted again. Could have a nice red to green move here. We'll have to see. We're going to find resistance off 42. We're going to find resistance on 42, which is fine. This would have been a perfect trade. Wasn't able to capitalize on it, though. Want to see a higher low. If we can see a higher low, looking forward to break 42 again. I think I'm going to focus my attention on Archon here. Looking like we're about to crack VWAP. Looks like we're getting rejected off in this area. Possible red to green move. Yeah, I think we're green on the day now. Or we were. We're right on that edge. Right on that edge. Let's see a nice Hall levels at 55, so we're pretty far away. Highest volume on the day now into the doji, into into the 50 SMA, 200 SMA, and VWAP. What are you trading on? I've got some. I have got form good news for you. I'm trading right now. I'm not trading. I'm trading DUOO right now, and I'm using Thinkorswim as a trading platform. I want to see it pull back down to 44. We have DUOO ripping. Looks like we might get started to get halted here. Let's see if we're starting to get halted. 58 is the halt level. Oh. Man, that would have been a great time to enter. Let's see pull back down here at 46. Let's see pull back down to 46 and off these moving averages. Let's see a pullback. I want to see a pullback here. We have some support at 45. Looking to buy somewhere near 45. Looking to buy somewhere near 45. But it looks like we're continuing just to move higher. Oh my gosh, guys, this is absolutely cruising. Acon is going to be unhalted here at 946.20. I think I'm just going to focus on DUOO. Let's see a pullback down to these 9 EMAs. I want to see it. Archon's going to be live at 9:46.20. So we have around a minute left. Here we go. Want to see a pullback down to 48. Want to see a pullback down to 48. Here we go. We have higher volume on this candle now. Not liking that. Come on, I want to see a bigger pullback here. I want to see a bigger pullback. We have decreasing volume. We have decreasing volume. Let's look at our Fibonacci retracements here. Yep, I like this. I want to see it's holding this level. I want to see it break a little bit more. I'm in with 1,200 shares. I'm in with 1,200 shares. Look like this decreasing volume here. I have 400 shares left. Break above. Break above and continue to rip. I have $700 left to trade with. I'll take that. I'll take it. I'll take it. There it is. All right. Guys, I have $700 left to trade with. Here we go. I like that. Akon ripping up again. Halted again. What is going on with Akon? Jesus. Good for Akon, I guess. I could have held it for a little bit longer, but I didn't want to. I wanted to take my profits, you know, lock it in this market. Not a huge fan of this. I don't like this higher volume doji candle. So that's what did scare me out ultimately. Akon was halted at 9:47.34. We're going to be live at 9:52.34. A nice inside candle, looking for the break. There's a nice inside candle here. Break 49.30. We're going to pop up higher. Break 39. We're going to have more volume step in over 49.30. Over 49.30. There it is. There's the pop. Look for the volume to start to step in. No idea. There's the close above. I like the close above. Look, watch out for the move higher here. I bought it into this area. I would have been up a lot more, but I sold into this area. We have decreasing volume. Akon again. I'm gonna be looking at Akon for the possible halt strategy here. Yep, that's why I took my profits there. That's why I took my profits. Why isn't it showing me my trades? Archon is not. Oh, we're live. Oh no, we're gonna be live at 9:47:30. We're gonna be live at 9:52:33. So we have around a minute left. We're gonna see what we can do here. Try to catch around $1 a share. If we can catch $1 a share, I'm gonna be looking to take this long. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna be looking to catch $1 a share here, guys. Right now we're up $30 on the day. We hit our goal. We're gonna try to make one more trade. We're gonna be disciplined and treat it with the utmost respect. C-Web looks like we're about to break the pre-market high. anything's possible. Again, we're going to be live here in around 30 seconds. Around 30 seconds, we're going to be live on Acon, looking for the move higher. We should be live in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we should be live. We're live. We didn't gap up. We didn't gap up. We didn't gap up. Oh, man. Oh, man. Looking for the pullback here. Looking for the pullback. Drop, drop. I want to see some red. I want to see some red here. No, I don't want to see that. I want to see it back down to back down to 18. I want to see it back down to 18. Looks like we're about to get halted again. Pull back. Spreads right now are pretty large. Pull back to 18. Pull back a little bit more. Come on. Pull back to 18. Man, that was very risky. Should not have taken that trade. Should not have taken that. That was stupid. That was really stupid. Well, shit. All right. Well, I tried to take a trade. Now there goes all of our profits for the day. I'm looking for it to open up and then pop up. I shouldn't have bought. We halted once, twice, 3 times. I did not follow my rules. I did not follow my strategies. So I'm going to be looking to jump out of this. I got a little bit too anxious. I was looking to make too much money. All right, guys, I was looking for K-A-K or A-K-A-N for the halt. I should have. We're gonna be live here in around 2 minutes. Here we go, guys. Let's see what we can do here. I'm down around $30, which is okay. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna be looking for it to just to pop up to around 8. If we can go to like I mean, I'm going to be looking for around... We're going to be live here in around 1 minute. Here we go. ACC, Aconies. I don't know how to say that. I'm not too sure what you mean. But guys, I got too greedy. I made 2 green trades today and then tried to absolutely crush my goal. Jumped in on an Acon for the move higher. Wasn't able to capitalize on it because I jumped in way too early. It's after the 3rd halt. I'm too anxious, too anticipated, but now I'm coming out at it level-headed. We have around 26 seconds left. We're going to see what happens here. Be live here in around 15 seconds. Here we go. Come on. I know you want to. 1770, 1787. Come on. I know you want to break. I know you want to break that. Oh. Can't type up my order. Okay, fuck me. Break it. Break it. Come on, break. Break 1793. Break 1793. I know you want to. Break 1793. Break 1793. Here we go. $30 shares long. Let's see a nice pop here. Nice pop over this pre-market high. Let's see a pop here. Yep. There's the pop. There's the break. I'm going to go and take that there. I'll take that loss. I'll take the loss. $2.23. Woo! Holy cow, guys. Holy cow. Well, I bought the dip on Acon. All right, guys, I'm done trading for the day. I had to use up my buying power, all of it, to get back up to break even, which is okay for that trade. I'm glad I was able to capitalize on it and get out of there. So we have, what are on the day? We have SONN up 9.950 on SONN. We also have Duo up 17.86. And then we also have Acon at negative 2.23. All right, guys, $25 on the day. Not bad at all. We did take some heat. I did not follow my trend. I did not follow any of my rules. I did something that I shouldn't have, but I did come at it level-headed. I was very patient with it. I mean, I could be still probably patient and still probably could have made money. Yeah, I would have made a lot of money on that, but that's okay. I just wanted to get out of the trade profitable, or at least at break even. So we're at $25.14 on the day. Took out yesterday's losses, and today we are doing much better. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, and peace. It's 25-14.